Coasian approach in solving externality problem. Developed by economist Ronald Coase, the Coasian approach emphasizes the importance of property rights and negotiation in resolving externalities without government intervention. This quick study will explore the Coasian approach, its implications, and provide sample problems and solutions to illustrate its effectiveness. Understanding externalities. Before diving into the Coasian approach, it's essential to understand what externalities are. Externalities occur when a third party is affected by the economic activities of others. They can be either positive, benefits, or negative, costs. For instance, pollution from a factory can negatively impact nearby residents' health and property values, while a well-maintained park can enhance property values in the vicinity. Types of externalities. Negative externalities. These occur when the actions of individuals or firms impose costs on others. Common examples include pollution from industrial activities, noise from construction sites, traffic congestion caused by increased vehicle use. Positive externalities. These arise when individuals or firms create benefits for others without being compensated. Examples include education, which benefits society by creating a more informed populace. Vaccinations, which contribute to herd immunity. The Coasian approach explained. The Coasian approach in an externality problem posits that if property rights are clearly defined and transaction costs are low, parties can negotiate solutions to externalities without the need for government intervention. This is based on the Coase theorem, which states that when property rights are assigned, individuals will negotiate to reach an efficient outcome regardless of who holds the rights. Key components of the Coasian approach. Definition of property rights. Clear ownership is crucial. If a factory has the right to pollute, it can negotiate with affected residents. Conversely, if residents have the right to clean air, the factory must negotiate with them. Low transaction costs. The costs associated with negotiating and enforcing agreements should be minimal. High transaction costs can hinder negotiations and lead to inefficient outcomes. Negotiation. Parties involved in the externality can engage in bargaining to arrive at a mutually beneficial solution. This could involve compensation for damages or investment in pollution control technologies. Problem scenario. Consider a factory that emits pollutants into a nearby river, affecting local fishermen. The fishermen can no longer catch fish due to the pollution, resulting in a loss of income. Define property rights. Assume the fishermen have the right to a clean river. Negotiation. The factory owner approaches the fishermen to negotiate a solution. The factory owner proposes to install a filtration system to reduce pollution in exchange for a payment of $50,000 from the fishermen to cover installation costs. Outcome. Both parties benefit. The factory can continue operations with reduced pollution, and the fishermen can resume fishing, restoring their income. Solution analysis. In this scenario, the Coasian approach effectively resolves the externality through negotiation. The key is the initial assignment of property rights, which incentivizes the factory to find a solution that benefits both parties. Limitations of the Coasian approach. While the Coasian approach provides a robust framework, it is not without limitations. High transaction costs. In cases where negotiation costs are high or involve many parties, the Coasian solution may not be feasible. Asymmetric information. If one party has more information than the other, negotiations may lead to unfair outcomes. Distributional concerns. The Coasian approach does not address equity issues. Wealthier parties may dominate negotiations, leaving less powerful parties at a disadvantage. In conclusion, the Coasian approach in solving externality problems offers valuable insights into how clear property rights and negotiation can lead to efficient outcomes in the presence of externalities. While it may not be a panacea for all externality-related issues, it provides a foundational understanding of how economic agents can interact to resolve conflicts. For further reading, consider exploring the following scholarly sources. Coase, R. H. 1960. The Problem of Social Cost. Stavins, R. N. 2003. Market-Based Environmental Policies.